Okay guys, being here. Previously we did this sliding garage door. So this is a closed and this is opened. And today let's and also do another option. So it'll be half open, half closed. Okay, so you can still change the number. So for example, if you change this to 10 and yeah. Okay, so let's do it. So we are going to let me just close this one, and you should be able to. So I think that it's this one. So you should be able to download this family. So from last video. Okay, so we're going to start from this one. So first, let's go to floor plan. So to create another option, so we need to add some more panels. Okay, so because we are going to have a panel here, so 45 degrees, and we need to find out where it will sit. Okay, so first let me just change this scale a little bit. So just make this dimension a little bit smaller. So okay, so first we need to create some reference plane because we need to place a panel. So see this one. So this is one of the panel. So we're going to sit one panel 45 degree here. So we need to decide. We need to work out where the end of this panel is sitting. So it will be reference plane. So we need to create one reference plane here and another reference plane here. So if let me just do a screenshot. Okay, so it will roughly sit here. So this is one of the panel. Okay, so because the size of the panel is the same. So if I connect this to here, so if this is 90 degree, so this is the panel width. So this one, which is this one. So we're going to have this panel width here, and then we know that this is 45 degree. This is 45 degree. If this is a panel width, let's call it PW. If this is PW, and this one equals PW divided by square root 2. Okay, so this is a little bit trigonometric. Okay, so let's go back. We just need to put this in here. So we just need to do a dimension here and another dimension here. So and then put this formula into these two. Okay, so let's do it. Di, one dimension and another one. So this one, hang on, let me just check. We need to put this dimension onto this reference plane. Okay, so use tab. Okay, so select both dimension and create. So let's call it what do we call it? It will be panel with diagonal. So panel with D. Okay, so let's use instance parameter and okay. So we just need to go back to family type. So we just need to put that formula into here. So it will be panel width divided by sqrt bracket 2. That's it. Okay, so click OK, and now we know the here. So we need to place the panel here. So I'm going to just copy one panel from these. Okay, so I'll use tab to select the one panel, CC, and copy it here. I'm going to rotate it by 45 degree, and then I'm going to just move this to here. Okay, so now this panel is in the correct location, but we need to constrain this onto the reference plane. Okay, so let's have a try. So if I do AL, so you will see, maybe let's do this. Select this panel and this reference plane, HI. So now it's easier. So AL, so you will see there's no way we can lock this point onto this. It's either this reference plane or this edge. So we need to find another way. Okay, so HR, how do we do it? So we know that if we place a reference line from this point to this point, we can lock the end of the reference line onto these two reference plane and onto this reference plane. And then we can place this panel and we can constrain this panel onto the reference line. Okay, so let's do it. I'm going to just draw a reference line. So create a reference line. So from this point to this point. And then I'm going to select this reference line together with this reference plane, tab, tab, tab. Try to, this reference plane and also this reference plane, so tab. Now I have 4 reference plane and 1 reference line. So I'm going to tab HI. So now only these reference line and the reference planes. So AL, so this time I can align this reference line onto this reference plane. So tab and lock. Same this one, tab and lock. Lock and tab and lock. So now this reference line will follow these reference planes. So how do we lock this panel onto this reference line? Hang on, let me think. Sorry, I forgot. Maybe let's try to change the number. Change the number to see what happens if I change this to 5. Okay, so you will see, because this panel is not onto this one, maybe we can do this. So if I select this panel and okay, it's not work plane based, so we can't really place this onto. I think that's one option. So we can make this panel work plane based, and then it can be placed onto this reference line. Another way is we can align this onto here, and then how can we lock it on this direction? Okay, so let's try the work plane method, work plane based method. So edit this panel. So here, so you will see this is a work plane based. If we check this one and load this back into here, looks like we have some issue because these panels are all going to be changed into work plane based and then create some issue. So maybe let's do not do this. Okay, so let's come back. So I'll just close this one, close this panel family. So maybe let's just use the most the easiest way to do it. Maybe let's align. Okay, so align this reference line and this panel lock. So how can we? I think I can't remember. So hang on, let me just open that file. So I want to have a look because I think I did something in here. So I'll just edit family. Oh, hang on, it's the same name. That would be an issue. Hang on, let me just change this family name. Okay, so okay, so sometime when you already, so because this family, the name of this family is is the same as this one. So when you try to open this one, it will go back to this one. So what you need to do is you just need to go into this project browser, and on the I think it's a door family. So on the door, so if you right click and oh sorry, not edit, sorry, rename it before you. So if I rename this one and then right click edit, so this will open a new family. So instead of go back to this one, we opened a new family. So now I just want to have a look at the constraint here. So okay, so all good. This one all good, and this one constraint onto. Oh, so you'll see we have another one here. Another reference line. So okay, so now I know. Let's close this one. Okay, so I'll just close this one as well. Okay, so what I did in that one is I placed another reference line from this point to this point. And of course, let's just lock this reference line onto this reference plane again. So this one, tab, 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 and this one, tab, 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 tab. Okay, all good. So now we can just use this one. We can AL this reference line and use the center reference plane of this panel and lock. So that's it. So now if we change the number 6, apply 7, yeah, 6, 5, yeah, all good. So now we have this one, and then we just need another. So depending on how many panels we have, so if the total number is 5, we need a 5, 2 here and 2 here. So let's copy this one, CC, rotate this by 45 degree, and I'm going to line this onto this reference plane. Oops, wrong one, sorry. AL, lock, and also this reference plane. Sorry, wrong one. Control Z, AL, tab, and pick this edge, lock. Okay, so now we have this one. So we just need to array. So I'm going to just array it here, and we need another reference plane here to lock this onto it. So RP, dimension DI from here to here. So we need to assign this panel width onto it. So now we have this, and AL, lock on this, and also this, and lock. So now we have 2 here, and then we need to create a parameter. So this is the number for this array. Okay, so create a new parameter. So let's call this what do we call it? Number half close. Okay, so number half close instance, and okay. So then we need another 2 in this case because we have 5. So another couple of panel here. So RO 45 degree, and align AL, lock, and also onto this reference plane. So and lock. Then select this panel, which is here, AR, array, and another reference plane. Okay, DI here to here, and this one will be panel width as well. Okay, so AL, align, lock, and once again this one. So this reference plane. Oops, wrong one. Control Z. AL. Just be careful when you pick. It's very easy to pick the center because it's a stronger reference plane. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it. We need to create another number, so integer parameter for this array number. So let's call this one number half open. Okay, and instance. Okay, so now we just need to create some parameter to for the half closed and half open. So it will follow the overall panel. And okay, so how do we do it? So let's try. I think I'm going to try. So for half round up or round down, round up. So the overall number divided by 2. So I will use round up overall number divided by 2 for half close, and I'll use round down. Let's try this one. No, because we will have 5 plus 1. We'll have 5 plus 1, maybe not round up. I'm going to use, how about this? We're going to use number minus, if we use number minus this, let's try this, number minus this, minus 1. Okay, 2, 2. We have 2, 2. So let's have a try. If I use 6, 3, 2, and plus the 1 in here, 6, correct. 7, yes, I think this works. Okay, so you might find a different formula, so it doesn't need to be like this. But as long as the overall numbers correct, so that's all good. Okay, so click OK, and then that's it. So then we need to, because previously we use a not condition. So here, so we can just check one and it will automatically uncheck the other option. But this time, because we have 3 options, we are just going to remove the formula and just do it manually. Okay, so it will be instance parameter. So open option, close option. And for now, I'm going to just, let me just click OK. Because previously we copied a panel from, I think from this group, because this panel, there's a visibility, I think there's a visibility associated with them. So I think this one, let's try. So you will see this one's still there. So it's linked to the closed. So we need to create a new parameter for it. So this time I'll call it half open, okay? And instance. And then we just need to find this one. So this one, edit a group, and link this to half open as well. And also find another one here. So this one, edit group, and link this to half open, and OK, and OK. So now we can have a test. So if we turn this, oh, sorry, not this one. So preview visibility. If we turn this on, so you will see this yellow color. So which means you can preview the visibility setting in your family. So let's go edit, family type, and go down here. So because currently we have both half open and close checked, so you will see the panel overlapping. So if I uncheck this one, only have this half open. So now you will see that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 panel. Okay, so if I uncheck this one, check this, check closed, all good. Uncheck close, check open, apply, all good. So let's just have this half open now and try the size or different number. So for example, I'll change this to 21. All good. Radius is for the channel. That's all good. Width, overall width. If I make it 4 meter, yeah. So you can see the panel width also change. And number. So I'll make 8 panel. Yeah. All good. And good. So now let's, I have 2 options. So that's fine. I'll just fix this, and let's create a project. Okay, so have a test in the project. I'll just use architectural template, create a wall, and load this into the project. Okay, so let's go to 3D view, place a door, and that's it. So you can change the height, change the width, change the yeah, we don't have this, so change the width. Yeah, height. All good. And then these are the instance parameters, so we can change the panel number. So 10 panels. If I uncheck this one, check the closed, it's closed. Check the open, uncheck the close, and it's open. All good. Okay. So I will upload this family for you. So if you have a look, and if you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.